drowning in documents and legal deadlines. Let's pull you out of the paper pile and into a streamlined document management system with Everlaw. In this quick overview, we're diving into how Everlaw can transform your legal practice. First, let's log into the Everlaw platform. You'll see a clean, intuitive dashboard designed for easy navigation. Everything you need is readily accessible, minimizing wasted time searching for features. Now, let's get documents in. Everlaw supports multiple upload methods. Simply drag and drop files, integrate directly with cloud storage solutions, or use Everlaw's native uploader. It's that simple. Once your documents are uploaded, you can easily review them. Everlaw's advanced optical character recognition, or OCR, makes your documents text searchable. Quickly highlight relevant text, apply coding decisions, and tag key issues directly within the document. Need to find something specific? Everlaw's powerful search functionality lets you conduct sophisticated Boolean searches, find related documents, and instantly surface crucial information buried in mountains of data. And finally, bring it all together with Storybuilder. This feature lets you weave compelling narratives, organize key documents into chronologies, and present your case with maximum impact. Ready to see Everlaw in action with your own documents? Schedule a personalized demo today to discover how Everlaw can revolutionize your legal workflow.